Paul, we need to talk.
What?
You brown Paul. You are very brown.
Brown chicken, brown cow.
What? No. This is not the time for that, Paul. Your life is at risk.
Why?
Because the company has decided to ship you to Antarctica.
But this doesn't make sense. I've been working here for a week. I'm sure this is all your fault.
No, Paul. That is not what matters right now. Or, is it?
You look like a slut.
Come with me, young grasshopper. I will show you the way.
No, that sounds like a terrible idea.
Oh, but it's not, Paul. It's really not. Ha ha ha.